Begin by finding a comfortable seat. You can cross your legs, close your eyes, and when you're ready, bring your hands to the heart center. Take a deep breath in and a long, steady breath out. Feel yourself completely arriving in the space, in your body, in your mind, and in your heart. With your next inhalation, breathe in a feeling of being present. With your next exhalation, release all of life's to-do lists, expectations, and external pressure. Right now, this is your time. You are safe, you are supported, you are more than enough. Let's begin to feel a sense of grounding through the sit bones, pressing down into Mother Earth and feeling her support beneath you. Feel how the earth is steady, strong, and unshakable. You can visualize roots from the base of your spine growing down through the layers of the earth. With each breath, allow yourself to feel more grounded and more held by Mother Earth. Good. And now, let's focus on a sense of connection. Bring to mind the immense love that you carry. The love you give every single day through your words, your hugs, and of course, your loving energy and presence. Now allow some of that love to come back to you. Allow yourself to be the receiver of love. Breathe it in and let it fill your heart. You deserve this love too. And now let's silently repeat in your mind, I am more than enough. I am allowed to rest, and I am allowed to receive. I am a radiant mother, and I am love. Allow these words to settle deep into your being. Good. And as we settle into this deep state of meditation, as your breath slows down, as your thoughts slow down, and you feel completely present in your body, your mind, and your heart, let's take this time to simply consider what it is that you think of when you hear the word mother. For some of us, that experience is beautiful and radiant. For others, it can be more challenging or even charged. For now, I'm going to ask you to define mother as self. You are the mother. Perhaps you are the one who is carrying on the beauty and love from the previous generation. Or perhaps you are the cycle breaker who is ushering in new energy. Whatever the case may be for you, honor where you are today. Let Mother Earth support you. Let the love in your heart towards your children bubble up and extend some of that love towards you as well. You deserve it. The light in me recognizes and bows to the beautiful, radiant light in you. Namaste.